Look what came earlier in the week, guys. First off, welcome back to another video. And we got the coilovers in. So let's just get straight to the action. We got the G right here. About to go to Pete's shop, get them installed, and I'll meet you there. Alright, we just pulled up the Pete's shop. Now we're just waiting for him to fucking get here. And then we can get the coilovers installed. Right now they're in the trunk. I got the Rev9 coilovers. You'll see them in a second when I open it up. But my fucking wing came off. Look at this shit. My spoiler. So I ordered a carbon fiber one from eBay. That should be here soon. But that should be here, and I'm gonna put that on and cover it. So right now it's just gonna look like that. But like I said, Rev9 coilovers, 32-way adjustable dampening ones. It should make the car feel a lot better when we're driving. And there's Dunlap. Why do you have shorts on and no jacket? This is crazy. This is that white shit. If you know, you know. But yeah, we're just waiting for Pete, and then I'll update you guys. Break her open, y'all. There we go. Let's break it open. So, ready? So here are the coilovers. Bitches are heavy. Get this out of the packaging. Alright guys, got the coilovers out the box now. So like I said, I got the Rev9 Hyper Street 2 coilovers. They're going to be 32-way adjustable dampening coilovers. You can see right here on the top, soft hard. And this way, so I ran True Hearts on my last G, on my X. And now I did want the Rev9s, but they didn't fit the G37X. So we're going to go with these. Like I said, was saying, these are going to be a true style coilover. So right now, once we get up on the lift and get the wheel off, I'll show you. But right now, the G37s are a bucketed style coilover. So basically you have your strut, and then you have your spring, which sits inside of the bucket. This is going to convert that and delete the bucket and turn it to a true style coilover, which is a lot better. And then we're going to dump this hoe in her nuts, all right? I'm just kidding. Maybe. But right now, we're going to get to the install very soon. I just wanted to set everything out, get everything ready. Got the tools right here. I don't know how good these ones are. I know my True Heart ones were trash. And then, I don't even know what these are, honestly. But I'm sure Pete will tell me. So everything on this build is starting to go down, but I'll just say, let's get to it. Let's get the car up on the lift. Let's get the wheels off, and then we'll get to the install. All right, all the wheels are off. It took a little while because all these goddamn bolts, they're like 21 mils and 22 mils. I need all new lug nuts around. I'm gonna do that soon because that's something I'm not gonna fucking do every time I wanna take the wheels off. No, you're straight. But yeah, everybody get to it. All the wheels are off, and let's go. Yeah. You wanna explain what happens first for people who don't know how to do coilovers?
Well, I'm gonna just start taking shit apart because I forget on this car specifically. But first, I see that the brake line is attached to the strut, so I'm gonna take that off. The ABS wire. Are these ABS? I think these are ABS.
Yeah, this is roll speed sensor.
Yeah, so they just pull right off like this. This is a 12 mil over here, so we'll take that off. This down here, I think is a 17. Let me see. No. All right, so it's a 18, or no, 19. on that side. Oh yeah, that's the sway bar end link. So you just take off this nut, and then the bottom of the strut will be out. This guy, and then I think there's the 313s at the top.
And then it should just be able to drop down.
Yeah, we might have to take out this top bolt too for the lower control arm, just to get enough room for the lower control arm to swing. But I'm not sure right this second.
All right.
So we'll see. We'll give the guys an update.
Yes, sir. So I guess we're gonna try to do it. So we're gonna attack these two 14s back here. This one right here, and this one back here. You see that, the other silver bolt. And then he said, drop it down from right here, and then we're gonna do the bolts on the top head. So I guess we're just gonna get fucking to it, boys. I have never done a coilover install. So, first time for everything. So if I can do it, you can do it. That's what I say. Definitely don't need this extension on. I'm gonna get to that. That's right there. Dunlap to the rescue.
We got it. So I just need to get this out.
Yeah, then there's one more. That one in the back.
Right here?
Is it not? Let me see. Is it silver? The other silver one?
Right here? Where my fingers at?
Yeah, right there. That one.
Yeah.
That's the other one. You guys can see. Talking about this bolt right here, and then that one. All right, everything here is disassembled. After we got those two nuts, we just took it out right here. There's another 14, and now we got to take the bolts out the top hat right here as well. So what we'll do is I'll prop you up, and then you can see. Let's see. There you go. So what are those, 14s?
Yeah, 14s. I just wanted to break them free before we...
Definitely gotta get another strut brace.
Yeah.
Ready? 14s? What are they, 13s? 12s?
Whatever it was.
Yeah, 12s. Oh.
I don't know if you'll be able to fit back there, but you can try.
That's what she said about it.
Nice thing is you don't gotta hold the strut.
Alright, so I'm gonna actually put these.
Honestly, might as well come over here and just loosen these ones.
Loosen them first?
Take them off.
Wow.
Might as well, so we don't have to bring the car back. It'll just save us time.
Alright. Alright, we got the end link out now. Here's the coilover, strut, whatever.
Okay.
Jeez.
That gasket is not happy.
No, that thing's clapped.
Yeah, look at this.
Yeah, I told you the suspension felt like shit. Clap City. Now time for the new one. now and just literally reassemble it, put the strut back up here, bolt it down, and do the same for all the other corners. I'll keep you guys updated along the way. The professional has come back to do the rest of the job.
Oh, you told him I had an emergency?
No, I just said Pete ditched us. Left us.
Guy.
But yeah. Get her cracking. The back should not be bad either. Get those done.
Because it's 32-way adjustable, remember. So you got 32 ways tight and 32 ways loose.
Okay.
So you just went 3 loose. So what is that, 27, 28?
Okay. 28. This is the bucket. Need to get toe arms. So we're gonna delete this. But the coilovers are out.
Yeah.
And about to go back in. Got them adjusted. This is, what is this again?
I don't even know what this thing's called. It's just an extension for the dampening adjustment. So that way when this is inside the car, this goes like in the trunk so that you don't have to pull these out to adjust it when it's inside the wheel well. You can go through the trunk to do it. So
All right.
makes life easy. But now we got to figure out how to get through the car into the trunk. So before we throw these in, I want to see if we have like a hole to put this through, or if we have to drill a hole, whatever.
But the seats ended up coming out. We were actually wrong. We don't go through the trunk. You take the seats out, and then that's where he drilled the hole at right there to bring the extensions up top. So if you have the 07, 08 Rev9 32-way adjustable coilovers, and you got the extensions, you go through the back seat, take it out, drill a hole, and then you can put the extensions at the top. But like I said, my phone is dying, so when we're done, I'll update you guys even more.
Oh, we gotta do it at the same time because that's the sway bar is fighting it.
See if she goes down for the final time. Ugh.
That should be good right there.
Good on that side?
And then this one should be good right there.
Good on that side?
Yeah. Let's see.
That looks good.
Ah, she's mint, brother.
Now we're talking.
That's just like the last fitment on the other J.
Yeah.
Yeah. That should be
Is it fully
good.
stiffed out too?
No, it's 3 clicks from the
It's 3 clicks for fully stiff. So
Yeah.
it's basically fully stiff. But now you can adjust it.
Did you adjust the back ones? Did you adjust the back ones already?
Yeah, those were the ones I asked you.
Oh. Oh yeah.
So,
So fucking long.
I know they are. I forgot to show them that. Fucking. They're sticking out like this. Yeah, we're gonna have to just fucking whatever with them.
it's hard to realize like
Which way is it to go stiff? This way?
yeah.
Well, we gotta put the seats back in. Alright, all we got now is just to put the oil in, and then the windshield wipers, and we're done. So I'm gonna get that on the go.
Things sitting how it should be. So what's next?
Um,
What are you thinking?
well, obviously, like what? Just cosmetic, or just like next in general?
Next in general.
Cosmetic. So we got the wing that's gonna come. Probably getting the light right here. The wing's coming next, and then what else are we doing? Wing, steering wheel, quick release,
Seats.
and then just finish off the suspension. Really, after that, just kind of make it my own. Just drive it now,
Yeah.
and just see practice. Really, get some wheels, but she's all right for right now. Really. Successful day. Well, guys, there you have it. She's back on the road now. That's how we're sitting. We gotta wait for it to settle a little bit, but not bad at all. Not bad at all, as I would say. Yeah, like I was saying, I think that's going to be the end of the video, honestly. I just want you to appreciate you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Check it out. Not sure when this video is going to be up, but that's the coilover install. Keep you guys updated. If you guys have any questions or anything about that, just comment down below. I'll get back to you guys. But thanks again.